Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice Math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have k cubed and its whole square root is equals to 2 cubed, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, and for this we will take a squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will be written as square root of k cubed and its whole square is equals to 2 cubed and its whole square. So further in the next step we need to use here the nice exponential line in the right hand side, and you know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to, here we need to interchange both of these two exponents, and it will be written as a to the power of n to the power of m. According to this rule of exponents, here in the right hand side we interchange both of these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 square and its whole cubed. And in the left hand side you see here these 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain this is k cubed. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications in the right hand side. So we have in this is k cubed equals to, here we have 2 times 3 becomes here 6. Sorry, here we cannot multiply both of these roots. Here we need to just open this 2 square, and we know about that this 2 square becomes 4 and its whole cubed. Further in the next step we move the term from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become k cubed minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to use the nice cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we expand the left hand side of above equation as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is k minus the value of b is 4 into, again we have a square, the value of a is k square plus ab, the value of a is k and b is 4 plus b square, b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step here we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as k minus 4 times into k square plus 4k plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write k minus 4 equals to 0, and the second case is we write k square plus 4k plus 16 is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we have this is k equals to 4, and this is the our first real root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and the third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we apply the quadratic formula to make the factors of this equation. So for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 4, and c equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as k equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute the values of a, b and c here, and we have k equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 4 plus minus square root of b square, so b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. So this is our small a. Okay. And further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we have this is minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus this is 4 times of 16 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And now here in the next step you see that inside the square root sign we have 16 be the common term, so that we will be take common 16 from here, and after that we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step here, we need to apply the square root separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as -4 plus minus square root of 16 into square root of 1 minus 4 becomes -3, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is -4 plus minus, we know about that the square root of 16 becomes 4, and here we apply square root separately on both of these two terms, square root of 3 and square root of -1, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step here, we need to break this fraction, and when we break this fraction, it will becomes -4 divided by 2 plus minus, this is 4 times of square root of 3. We know about that square root of -1 becomes iota, and it is divided by 2, and we have this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we obtain the value of k is equals to -2 plus minus, this is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we obtain 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation, and we have only one root of the given equation r, k equals to 4. So these are the three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.